Hey you guys, it's Yesenia back with another video. So, happy Sunday everybody. Today I'm gonna be doing my Sunday cleaning routine. So basically every Sunday, this is what I normally do. I first wake up, I eat breakfast and everything like that, and of course, I clean. When I mean I clean really good, because I don't know if y'all can see, but my room is a disaster because I have been working all weekend, so I don't really have time to like touch up my room because I'm mostly at work. So I come home, hurry up, get ready, go to bed. So that's how my weekends normally go. So let me give y'all a little sneak peek of how my room is looking. So this is how my room is looking so far. No, it's not that messy, but trust me, it could be worse. Could be worse. Thank God it's not. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a time lapse of me cleaning my room, how I usually do on Sundays. So I really hope you guys like this video. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so I am kind of like sweating just a little bit. I'm not even over exaggerating. I didn't even think my room was that dirty, but apparently it was. And I realized as I was editing this video, the time lapse was extremely fast. Like you could barely see what I'm doing. So I'm so sorry about that. Like I said, I just got this camera and I'm still figuring it out. So if y'all want to see another video that is similar to this, please let me know in the comments down below. Not even exaggerating, it is so hot in here. It might just be because my room is so small, but I'm so sorry if y'all couldn't see everything that I was cleaning. If you guys like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next one.